Hey guys, and welcome back to the Awesome Agreement Series 1 Unboxing Part 2. Today we'll be opening the last 12 of these boxes. Let's get started. We've got the character, dog tag, and the game guide. And we've got our first character. It is a general. Good way to start off the video. This guy's name is... Get my checklist open. General Destruction. Right here in the... Okay. Dog tags over there, checklist, game guide. Okay. On to box number 2. Hopefully we could get a super rare, but generals are still cool. Okay, character, figure, game guide. Trash everywhere. Oh. This girl's name is... Private Red. The camera. There we go. Okay. On to box number 3. Will it hold any more characters? Character, game guide, figure. Wait, no. Dog tag character figure. Okay. What do we have this time? We have another duplicate from part 1. His name is Lieutenant Heatwave. Okay. On to box number 4. Alright, it's getting bright in this room. This guy in the bush is named Corporal Bushwhacker. Okay. On to box number 5. Dog tag. This guy's name is Sergeant Major Hoo-Ah. Box number 6. Okay. This guy's name is Sergeant Major Attitude. Okay, box number 9. That character sounded loud. we just get the same one back to back? Yep. Same one back to back. Sergeant Major Attitude. There's lots of duplicates inside this 36 mystery box opening. Just a box in general. Like in general, right? No? Dog tag character. Let's see, who do we got this time? Oh, we've got a green. We have a general. This guy's name is General Destruction. So now we've got one for the green team and the blue team. They look the exact same except for their color schemes and numbers. But, okay, box number 10. We still haven't got a super rare general. It's kind of sad. Okay. Well, another Corporal Bushwhacker. Okay, box number 10. This guy's name is Private Duty. Okay. Box number 11. This guy's name is Private Midrats. Okay. Final box. Oh, I'm killing characters. Will this have a super rare? Come on, Awesome World Green Men Series 1 Gods. Nope, and it's a duplicate, which makes it even worse. We've got Sergeant Major Hoo-Ah once again. And that is the end for this episode. Please like the video and subscribe. And if you're curious, this is what the inside looks like when there's no characters. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Now we're on job.